Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are off. We're gonna hopefully pick up this tractor. I've been trying to get it for a long time. It's about two and a half hours away. Not too far. It's actually in the hometown where I was born, so that's gonna be kind of cool. Drive through there again. But we have the trailer on. I don't know if you can see it back there. We have the gate down. We just filled up, got some snacks. So we'll show some road shots, and we'll see when we have the tractor. Alrighty guys, we have it. It is on the trailer. It ran great. It ran the Brush Hog great. It has the flat tires that are totally shot. I mean, literally, we had to move it a foot or two, air it up, foot or two, air it up. It was terrible, but we did bring the big air compressor, which helped a lot. We got an amazing deal on this tractor. I got it strapped down for now. It is really well taken care of. It's a 48 8N. Brush Hog is amazing on it. It fits perfectly on the trailer, 16-foot trailer. So we're gonna get this thing home and we'll do a better in-depth review. Alrighty guys, we have the tractor home. We have it in the garage. As you can tell, it's leaning. The tire, like I said earlier, is 100% shot. It holds air for literally 1 minute, so the whole thing is leaning. We're gonna get that fixed next week. We're gonna get, there's a front one that's flat, so we're gonna get that fixed. Brush Hog works amazing. I don't know what brand it is, but it's not rusted out. It looks really well. The only part that has a little chip in it is right there. Other than that, the blades look good. There's plenty of fluid in there, but we're gonna get that changed. We're gonna get everything greased up. It does have the overrun coupler. We have a small leak coming out of one of the drain bolts. It's very, very small, so we're gonna get some fluid added to it. We're going to have someone come out and fix the tire, and then we'll be changing all the fluid. Everything looks really well. It's very clean. The guy never used it. Starts up on a dime. We'll keep this tire, we'll keep that tire. Alternator, it's been converted to 12 volt. It's really clean. We have no leaking. A lot of these tractors, you see oil and grease and everything, especially down here. There's a little bit down there in the front, but mostly it is really clean, and we're gonna get this thing even more clean and get it spotless. Hydraulic fluid looked really good. Oil was super clean. We'll get this power washed. You can see it's, what is like a mildew or mold. So we'll get that going, touch up that forward paint. I'm super, super excited. The wiring is really good on here. It's not crazy or anything. Ignition start button works. We have our amp gauge, throttle, and our oil pressure gauge. Battery is brand new. Look at this tire. The guy just let it sit outside flat for over a year, and because of it, it totally shredded the tire. So we're definitely going to get that fixed ASAP. But what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. Super excited. We're gonna get this on the land. It's the piece of machinery I've been wanting. It's sitting in the garage for right now until we get it all fixed. Alrighty guys, so I need to get the trailer off still. It took us 2.5 hours to get to the guy's house, and then almost 3 back because I wanted to stay slow and take my time with this thing. It stormed on us. We've just had a really long day, so we're gonna wrap it up here. Hope everybody likes the new toy for the channel. We are going to be doing lots of videos, lots of drone footage. We got brush hogging to do, bunch of land stuff. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Like, subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one. See you later.